Hello, this is Brandy from the Yam Education team, and today we're going to go over how to enroll in a course. So once you're logged into the Yam platform, this is what your homepage will look like. If you need help logging into the Yam platform, that is done in one of my previous videos. From here, you will see the Course Explorer. You will pick what course you're looking to enroll in, and for today's purposes, I'm going to log into the English prep test. So I am already enrolled in all the courses on here, but this is what it'll look like on your end, and you'll get this pop-up here saying, begin your educational journey. Here it will allow you to enroll in the course. You'll click on that button, you'll load, and once it loads, it'll come up and say, view your course. Once you are enrolled, you'll view your course, and you can go ahead and click Start Course. Now, I'm seeing this as a backend, as a staff person, but this should look very similar. You'll see the different outline for the course here, such as the listening assessment, reading and grammar, vocabulary assessment, and the writing assessment. And then you'll go hit Start Course whenever you're ready. This will give you an overview, and this is how you navigate the platform from the assessment standpoint. You'll continue going through the next button once you're finished with your tasks, such as reading the instructions, watching the videos, and maybe answering some short questions after the videos. This goes over how to enroll in a course and get started.